Ain't very well signposted, is it? Going in. This is a late one though.
Going round doing all the dogs.
So I'm stuck. It's on the...
Oh, if the devil can cast his net.
What's that, mate? Right. You're supposed to turn again, aren't you?
Oh, I'll do 350.
That was the one at Watton, wasn't it? What's that beside us?
Air ambulance.
We haven't had that in the garden.
Well, I looked at the weather and it said 5, 8, 3 o'clock it could rain, and I'm thinking,
Oh, the map's there.
and I just, of late,
Where'd you plug your batteries in? Where do you put your batteries in your maps?
they get worse. It gets much worse. Fraser Borough, all up the top there.
So we're then to
He's not there. That's a sticker glazed over. It's nice, very nice. I don't mind.
That's a 500. Is it 500?
No silence on it. I didn't have any silence. So that's why I built it up. Put the
This one.
Yeah, and I put that, behind the arm as well. And when I put the stand there, bang. Got something wrong somewhere.
Hey, alright?
It's what it is, isn't it? You know? Yeah. Well, that's, I must admit, I've like I said, that's so long now. I finally have right, I've got to put it together. I needed the money to put it together. I managed to get that together. So once I've done that, I'm right up in that dollar.
Turn the shop every time.
Bit of that one sound nice as well. Got all speeds on it. Hmm? Yeah.
Did he do the mate? No, he's always going to be definitely
So, and I remember being at the party, and then I saw I couldn't buy, you know, I couldn't do luggage, and you just stopped and you looked at me. Did you ride my bike? I went, yes. And then you went, yes. There's loads of blokes that rode my bike. I'm going to tell everyone.
Because she'd had such shit for riding someone's Triumph, a Bonneville. Like, and then she was going down the road, she came off the road, and she was running in. She started sweating in.
What I didn't tell anyone else.
You know where you like moving every day? Yeah. I love that kind of feeling. Yeah, we know I'm going to do
Right.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm going to do them anyway.
No, I'm not to do. One of the things I never used to do. I never. My car was stored there, he'd never ridden it. I'll tell you something, it's the worst handling Ducati I have ever ridden here. When you look at it, the headstock, just got a little bit of a tweak in it. Take the left-handers, it wants to stand up. Take the right-handers, it wants to dive in. Every little ripper on the road, it's trying to find its own way. So it's going to go down to a motor liner and have the front street. It ain't back.
What, build all?
Yeah, probably. Sheds and it's eerie going round there. You go round there at night time, that would be most disconcerting.
I remember when I was in the Air Force, it was a couple of brigades or something like that. I was up at Benson, and we had a load of stuff. I had to go back. Do that.
Yeah.
Dominic.
Oh right, okay.
I'd be up in the army over time.
Yeah.
And I was up
A year ago, it's how they weren't, it seemed to disappear again. And so it highlights every rate, and we're showing
Bits and pieces,
how track
Yeah. I'll do get my phone out in a minute. Get my phone out. Oh look, is he here somewhere?
You've got to be very careful where you
How you doing, bud? All right, mate?
Yeah, all right, mate.
Andy. We've got plans.
Yeah, exactly. It's not easy. Yeah, but I know what you mean. Yeah, the design. Yeah.
That's what we were talking about yesterday.
Yeah.
The tank, see the source, you know, that sort of. I don't know much about how that one, bog standard one, that's a full 140, yeah? Plus
side panels that give me.
Yeah, well, they.
You're on camera, so will it start?
Oh, yeah, it won't start if you point a camera at it.
No, I don't.
Oh no! Decompressor cable's just gone.